Hello, today I want to show you a tutorial regarding the neighbor group functionality in the STEINEL CONNECT app. In the last tutorial I have shown you how we make the group settings, and now I want to show you how we make the neighbor group functionality. That means there's the Luminaire groups works as a swarm functionality, and how we handle this I show you like this. We go to a group, for example the corridor, then we press here the point groups, neighboring groups, and then we can set, okay, my neighbor group should have a setting of 20%, for example. Then we say which neighbor group we want to have. We want to have a new one. We press the plus button. We say, okay, the staircase group should be my neighbor. And then we must make it also in the opposite. That means we go back to the groups, go to staircase, go in the same settings, on the groups, go neighbor groups. So we make the settings of 20%. Press here on the neighbor groups, press the plus button, find the corridor group, add this corridor group as my neighbor group, and then we have done the whole commissioning for the neighbor group functionality.